In this video, I'll be showing you how you change your address of your Gmail address. So you can see this email here, this address here, we can change it. And we are going to maintain our old account and everything. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's a new update. So what we are going to do is we just open our browser and we search anything. Since you have that Gmail signed in, you come here. Even on a mobile phone, you can do same and you tap on your account, or you just go to your Google account. It's up to you. Whether you're on Gmail, you can also tap on this here, move to your account. Yeah. You just hop on here like this. So what you're going to do is you move to your account, details. Yeah. So what we are going to do is we come here, personal info. Good. So what we are going to do is we tap on the email here. Good. And then what we are going to do is you can see Google account email. Just tap on that again. So I'll have to verify as me. Good. So after verifying it's me, they're asking me, do I want to change my account email? That's this. So I can change it to Bronze Test 2001. And I'm going to maintain everything. All these mails, my account on StockX, this and everything is going to come. This is a tutorial email I used to make tutorials here. So let me tap on that to change. Good. So now you can see username. So now let's make it a Bronze Test. The other one was 2000. Let's make it 2001. So now we tap on change and you can see my current is 2000. My new is 2001. When you tap on yes change, you change it. Yeah, so that's it on how you change your old Gmail address to a new one. I don't want to do that. Yeah, because I think there's a tutorial mail and I've dropped it here.